Are you looking to organize your work in Asana more efficiently by adding clear, helpful titles to your subtasks? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a title to a subtask in Asana so that every piece of your project gets the attention and structure it deserves. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently create organized, easy-to-understand subtasks that keep your team moving forward. Let's jump right in. Start by opening up Asana Web, either in your browser or via the app, whichever way you usually work. It's always a good idea to make sure you're logged in and have stable internet just to keep things running smoothly. Once you're in Asana, you'll see your projects laid out. Take a moment to find the project you want to work on. This helps you keep everything in its right place and avoids any accidental changes to the wrong task list. Click on your project to open it up. Remember, keeping your projects organized in Asana can really make a difference in your productivity. So taking a second to double-check you're in the right spot is time well spent. Now, once you're inside your chosen project, you'll see a list of tasks. Go ahead and select the particular task where you want to add a subtask. This is important because subtasks are tucked beneath the parent task. They're perfect for breaking down larger assignments into manageable pieces or delegating specific actions to different team members. For example, if your main task is launch marketing campaign, a subtask could be draft email copy. Picking the right parent task sets up your subtask in the right context. When you've clicked into your task, look just below the description area. Sometimes this panel can feel a bit busy if you've got comments or attachments, so take a moment to let things load if needed. Directly underneath the description, you'll notice the section labeled Add Subtask. It's easy to overlook if you're new to Asana, but it's one of the most useful features for getting granular with your workflow. Click Add Subtask. This is where the magic happens. As soon as you click, a new field appears inviting you to enter the subtask title. Take your time here and give your subtask a descriptive, clear name. Think of the title as a tiny instruction manual, something that makes it obvious what needs to be done and why. Instead of just typing email, try something like Write Initial Draft for March Newsletter. A specific title makes it easier for you or your teammate to jump in and know exactly what's expected, without needing a long explanation. Type your title and hit Enter or Return when you're done. Don't worry if you think of a better wording later. You can always go back and edit the subtask title to make it even clearer. Sometimes it helps to step away and revisit your wording after a few minutes, especially if your project has lots of moving parts. And that's it. You've just added a titled subtask to your Asana project. With this simple but powerful technique, you can break work down, assign it out, and dramatically improve your team's visibility and accountability. If you ever find yourself getting lost in big, messy projects, remember, clear subtasks are your roadmap. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your favorite Asana tips. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, actionable guides just like this one. See you in the next video.